So how do you check the screen time on your iPhone? Let's get started. So you just open up the settings and on the main page, you can see that we have the screen time section. And when I click on it, I can already see the daily average. Like I have a little graph of the past days. I can see how much time I spent each day and everything, right? But when I click on see all app and website activity, it moves me over to this detailed view. So I can check out specifically which apps have been used for how long and also specifically during which part of the day. So it gives me much control and like a lot of the information about my usage of the phone. So yeah, this is for this day, but I can also go back, like I can check out yesterday's information and specifically the amount of minutes I spent watching, I don't know, YouTube or whatever it was. So I can go back in time. I can also switch to the week view, so get like the weekly highlights, but it's not like I can go infinitely way into the past, right? So I can only go like a few, 3, 4 weeks back. I cannot check out my data from like last year, which to be fair, I would really love that. Like I really like to see what I was doing like, like 3 months back on a specific date or something, but it just doesn't work. So I guess you could take a screenshot of it, but that's not very practical. But at least you can see this way what you've been doing on your phone. There are also some other apps which have it specifically implemented inside of them. Like there is the Instagram, which has its own like activity section. So you can go to your profile and click on like the settings option and then go to your activity. And in there, you can check out the time spent on it. And I guess you can also just see it specifically for this app, right? So yeah, some other social media apps and services might have it implemented, but still the best way is to check it out through the iOS settings so you have like a comprehensive view of what's going on. So let me know in the comments if you have any additional questions about it. Most definitely subscribe for more, and I'm gonna catch you later in the future tutorials.